Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today we got a heavy hitter in the building. DW is back. Now the name of this watch face is called DW52 Legendary Multi-Watch. I'm loving the name of the watch face already. Now in always on mode, what you're going to get is a nice digital time. You're going to get your step status info to be able to see at a glance, minus the shortcuts, right? Now when the watch face is on, you get everything. So let's take a look at it, right? Up at the top, what you're going to get the day. You're going to get your date. You're also going to get your year. Now this is a 24-hour, 12-hour watch face. You're going to get a moon phase also, and you're going to get your battery percentage, and you're going to get a meter to represent that as well. You come down, it's going to let you know how many weeks we're in. I'm on 12-hour time, but if you got 24 hours set on your phone, you're going to have 24-hour time. I got miles walked or ran, my heart rate, and my steps. Now this is going to be good for a person who's going to be on their run. You have everything you can possibly need in this watch face. Now for the casual user, if you're into shortcuts, you're going to love this one as well. Now what you're going to get is going to get your settings, and they're all able to be tapped into by a single tap. Not bad at all. Now you got email, you got your text messages, you have where you can get into your contacts, make a phone call, and you can go direct to make a phone call. Definitely an awesome look, people. And if I tap right here, I can set an alarm. Listen, people, I'm loving this one. I can also get my weather up top. He offers a lot of shortcuts to make life very convenient right from the wrist. All right, you all, go ahead, check this out. You know DW always makes it affordable in the Gear Manager store. Make sure you check it out. Now I have another one coming right from behind this one. You think you like this one? Check out the one that's coming up next. If you like this video, please hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again at the next video. Take care.